So I'm going to tackle about the climate change. Climate change is the range of global phenomena caused by burning fossil fuels that add heat-trapping gases to the Earth's atmosphere. So climate change involves global issues caused by burning fossil fuels, which releases heat-trapping gases into the atmosphere. These result in global warming, referring to the rise in Earth's temperature since in the 20th century. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxides occur naturally and trap heat in the atmosphere, warming the planet. Human activities like burning fossil fuels release additional gases such as chlorofluorocarbons, which contributes significantly to global warming. So, global warming keeps the planet warm and prevents warm air from leaving the planet. So, let's proceed to the deforestation. It is also pointed at as culprit to this adverse phenomenon. It also affects biodiversity because damage in the rainforest results in the destruction of wildlife habitats. So, deforestation also worsens climate change. When forests are cleared, carbon stored in trees is released, increasing atmospheric heat and destroying wildlife habitats. So climate change has notable effects, such as melting ice caps which dilute ocean salt and disrupt ocean currents. These currents usually balance temperature by moving warm and cold waters around. Disruptions can lead to extreme weather changes. Melting ice also decreases the Earth's reflectivity, causing more sunlight to warm the planet, which raises temperatures. This affects wildlife and ecosystem. For example, beetles in Alaska now appear year-round amid forests. The melting ice caps contribute to rising sea levels, threatening low-lying coastal areas where many people live. And let's proceed to the stratospheric ozone depletion. A thin layer of ozone is maintained at the stratosphere as protection from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. And it happens when chemicals like CFCs destroy the ozone layer in the sky. This layer protects us from the too much harmful sunlight. When it gets thinner, more UV rays reach the Earth, which can cause skin cancer and other problems.
Acid rain pathway highlights the interconnectedness of environmental issues and the far-reaching consequences of pollution. Understanding this pathway is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate the harmful effects of acid rain. And this is an example of acid rain pathway. meteorological phenomenon where the normal decrease in air temperature with increasing altitude is reversed. Instead of the usual temperatures gradient, co- cooler air high up. A layer of warmer air sits above a layer of cooler air near the Earth's surface. This creates a stable atmospheric condition that prevents the vertical mixing of air. And this is example of thermal thermal inversion. El Nino. El Nino is a normal climate pattern that describes the unusual warming of surface waters in the eastern tropical Pacific Ocean, also known as the warm phase. El Nino is a climate pattern that occurs in the Pacific Ocean, characterized by unusual warm ocean surface temperatures in the central and eastern tropical Pacific. The warming disrupts normal weather patterns globally, leading to significant climate impacts. The opposite phase is the La Nina, characterized by unusual cool ocean temperatures in the eastern tropical Pacific.